we're Puffin Attack.
Hello today, and these little people are very excited because we're going to teach you and them how to bake gingerbread.
Right, Puffins, aprons on, wings washed, ready to bake.
Let's bake.
What you need in order to bake gingerbread is some golden syrup, some eggs, some plain flour, some butter, some ground ginger, some sugar, and I always use coconut sugar, and some bicarbonate of soda. And I've slightly forgotten how much I said I needed to put in, but I'm sure
It's some, isn't it?
it's some. Oh, okay, so half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda.
Brilliant.
Sprinkle it in.
So Queen Elizabeth I reputedly had little gingerbread men or little gingerbread people made of her favourite guests.
This is fresh ginger.
That is fresh.
We're not making bread men.
No, no,
But, I mean, how wrong can you go with a bit of ginger?
not at all. It's never
So,
happened.
a teaspoon of ginger, slightly more than a teaspoon here, but I think it's, But we're using butter.
Oh, okay.
That looks like I'm advertising.
It does really, doesn't it? Yeah.
But it isn't advertising, it's just me saying we're using butter. How much butter do we need?
Some butter.
Mix it all together into like a breadcrumby type
And I'm going to
arrangement
do
with
this
the
with-
puffins.
Sometimes you actually find at this stage, and this may happen to you at home, that you find puffins entering into your mixing bowl. It's actually a well-known thing that does happen when you're making gingerbread.
Oh, I've got a joke.
Oh yes.
I've got a joke. So, why did the gingerbread man go to school?
Oh.
Because it wanted to be a smart cookie.
That's very good.
And that really is also, related to these. Oh, I've done more advertising.
You've done more product placement.
Damn
Wow.
it.
They're eager to taste the gingerbread, really. I mean, the only thing I can say to them is it's probably not very nice at the moment. There we go, that's that one. You see, they do these, as I've got more that consistency of breadcrumbs, the more we tend to attract puffins. It's actually why they never bake gingerbread at sea, actually. It's a fun fact, actually. You'll never see gingerbread baked at sea. And that's really just because it attracts large flocks of puffins, especially in the wintertime when they're out over the Atlantic, all on their own, away from their breeding sites. So some of what I'm saying is true, and a certain amount is not true.
So, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar.
Let's count.
Yes, because when we did the pumpkin pie,
We forgot.
and you can see that on our channel, yeah, we forgot and we miscounted the sugar.
So that's 1.
I mean, we're not great at exact meaconts here, but
that's
we'll
1.
call that one.
I'm calling that 1. So early gingerbread was actually more of a bread or a paste type concoction, really. So we still call it gingerbread even today, probably from the time when it was much more close to bread. Now we're adding golden syrup, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup.
I think we might have done too much.
I think that'll be all right.
Now we need to add 2 eggs. Should we
Okay.
let the puffins do that?
Yes.
Ready? Is it a crack?
Yes.
Excellent. Right now, puffin, put your little thing in, crack it open,
Oh my
like
goodness.
that. Let it fall out the bottom.
It's going to have to wash its wings after this, isn't
We'll
it?
have to wash its wings.
Well,
Baking is a messy business.
it is a messy business.
It is, and this little puffin really enjoyed that because
Yeah.
it actually got to crack an egg.
It did.
And how many puffins get to say that?
Well, true, very true. Very true,
Not
true.
many puffins get to crack eggs.
Well, only when they hatch.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah,
they crack quite a lot of eggs.
they do. Well, their own. Only the one, really, so that's its second,
They do,
I would
yeah.
say.
Oh, fun fact. Did you know that ginger used to be incredibly valuable.
Did it?
It did, yes. In fact, it was so valuable, it was used like money. So your gingerbread men are like treasure. Little golden pieces of treasure.
Well, I've made this into a big golden piece, really, so it's probably quite rich now.
You probably would be.
You know, sometimes they say with mixtures they should be light and fluffy. This will end up being fluffy, I imagine, but probably for different reasons. It's not really necessarily an approved way of rolling out your dough.